Black hole number 495. 3 digits Capricorn constant. Magic number 495. Mathematics tricks and its mysterious history in 495 by Soumya N.
Hi, this is Soumya and now we discuss about the topic as black hole number 495. A 3-digit black hole number is 495. This 495 is a Capricorn constant. This number was discovered by the Capricorn, D.R. Capricorn, that is Dattatreya Ramachandra Capricorn. This number was discovered in the year of 1949. Capricorn is an Indian mathematician, plus he is a school teacher. He was a school teacher at that time. This number, otherwise called as Capricorn constant. Before getting to the topic, still now you wanna subscribe this channel, kindly subscribe this channel. Then only you will see a video when I upload in this channel. Okay, now we get into the current topic. Capricorn constant, a black hole number 495. How did he say this is a black hole number? Let's see that. Black hole number, which means its descending order. When you take any number, its descending order as or subtracted from its ascending order, and it you will get up to this 6 iterations for the 3 digits number. For 4 digits number, you get into the 7 iterations before you get the answer of 495 in 6 iterations. At the same time, 6, 1, 7, 4, 4, 7 iterations. So below you get below 6 iterations, you will get the answer for black hole number 495. And how we check it out? This is the 495, a black hole number 495. First you write this number, its descending order. Its descending order is 954. Here 954 is its descending order. 459 is its ascending order. So 495 is the black hole number. This black hole number, you will get this black hole number up to 6 iterations at any number you take out for this application. For the examples, the first one is 968. The first one is a 968. So 968's descending order is 986. And 689 is ascending order for this 968. So 986 minus 689 is equal to 297. So this number is not getting to the 495. So we go for the another iteration. So 972 minus 279, descending to ascending order. So 693. It's not an 495. So go for the next iteration. 6963 minus 369 is equal to 594. This 594, further we can write 954 minus 459 is equal to 495. So it's getting to the loop. So 968 is getting to the loop of the black hole number 495. So it reaches 495 up to 4 iterations. It doesn't exist 6 iterations for any number you can take it for this application. Those numbers never get into the 6 iterations. Doesn't exist 6 iterations. So next example is 125. This 125 has 3 iterations. The first iteration is 5 to 1 minus 1 to 5 is equal to 396. So 396 as the further iteration is 963 minus 369 is equal to 594. So 594 get a further iteration process. So 954 minus 459 is equal to 495. So it get into the loop of a black hole number. So 125 has 3 iterations only. Our next example is a 524. So 524 has 4 iterations. 542 minus 245 is equal to 297. 297 has further iteration. So 972 minus 279 is equal to 693. This 693 goes to the iteration. 963 minus 369 is equal to 594. The 594 goes for the further iteration. So 954 minus 459 is equal to 495. So 524 get into the loop of 495. And another example is 758. That is 758's descending number is 875 and its ascending order 578. So 875 is equal to 5 minus 578 is equal to 297. So 297 get into the further iteration. So 972 minus 279 is equal to 693. 693 go for the further iteration. So 963 minus 369 is equal to 594. And 954 minus 459 is equal to 495. So it get into the loop of the black hole number. So 758 has 4 iterations only. Another example is 612. 612 has only 2 iterations. 612's descending order is 6 to 1 minus its ascending order is 1 to 6 is equal to 495. So it is get into the loop at 2 iterations only. So 954 minus 459 is equal to 495. So it get into the loop up to 2 iterations only. The exceptional cases in this black hole number, 3 digits black hole number 495, 111, 111, 111, 111, 211, 212, 333, 444, 555, 666, 777, 888, 999. So these are the exceptional cases in this black hole number because 111's descending order is a 111. Its ascending order is a 111. So both are the same. So it never get into the loop of 495 because its answer is 000. So 111 minus 111 is equal to 000. Similarly, 222 minus 222 is equal to 3000. 333 minus 333 is equal to 000. 444 minus 444 is equal to 000. And 555 minus 555 is equal to 000. 666 minus 666 equal to 000. 777 minus 777 is equal to 000. 888 minus 888 equal to 000. 999 minus 999 is equal to 000. And the factorization of this 495 is, so 495 is divided by the divisor at 2 times. So 495 divided by 3 is equal to 165. The 165 is further it divided by the divisor 3 is equal to 55. So 55 is further divided by divisor 5 is equal to 11. 11 is further divided by 11. Divisor 11 is equal to 1. So the factorization of 495 is 3 squared into 5 into 11 is equal to 495. 3 squared, which means 9 into 5 is 45. 45 into 11 is equal to 495. That's 495. This 495 is not a Husserl number because 4 plus 9 plus 5 is equal to 18. So, but 495 is divided by 18 as the decimal number. 18 is equal to 27.5. So 27.5. So this is not a Husserl number. At the same time, this is not a square value because 3 squared is 3 squared plus 3 squared plus 5 squared plus 11 squared never get into the square value of 495. So 495 is not a square. That's it. We will see in another video for a mathematics tricks. You never miss my video, subscribe my YouTube channel Soumya Vaski. At the same time, a full and fully mathematics oriented my channel is Soumvi Infinita. So never forget to subscribe this channel also. And signing out, Soumya. And if it is useful, like this video, which is helpful for whom, share to them. You never forget to press the notification bell. Bye. Thanks for watching.